trailblazer in the world of Indian sport and one of India's most decorated squash women players, Deepika Palekar has a long list of achievements to her credit, including the first Indian to break into the top 10 in the PSA women's rankings, the recipient of the Arjuna Award and the Padma Shri Award. Today she joins in to talk about competitive sport, breaking into a man's world and how hard work pays off. Deepika, thanks so much for taking time out and joining in. Your hard work has got you where you are today, but I know that you strongly advocate equality as well in terms of rewards. It was evident in 2015, the boycott of the National Squash Championship, which gave lesser prize money to women than men. Tell us more about that.
I was actually very unaware of the fact that there was so much of difference, and I was very unaware of the fact that there was no equal respect, equal participation with the women's and men's. And I think the world is changing, and we're starting to notice all these matters. And for me, that was a big opportunity for me to have a face that can promote this in Indian squash. And for me, it was very important to have taken that stand because I knew that no one else would, and if someone would, they would have done it long time back. So it was for me to have carved the way for a lot of young athletes in the country. So it was very important for me. It was a tough decision. A lot of people said a lot of things, but I'm very grateful that it worked out in the right way, and we get equally paid and we get equally respected like men.
So what's the message to other young sportswomen who maybe are facing a lot of challenges at the moment despite putting in their sweat and blood, or those who want to start out but seem a bit discouraged? What do you have to say?
I think being disciplined and being brave about certain decisions in your career is very, very important as an Indian athlete. And I think the most important thing is to enjoy what you're doing. And once you start enjoying it, I think the results will follow.
You know, I know you've put in a lot of hard work. You've had to go outside of the court as well to improve your game. You're known for your very high intensity fitness. What's it been like with the pandemic?
I think mentally it's been a little rough on us athletes because we're so used to traveling, we're so used to playing, we're so used to competing, and right now we're just training without any end goal because we don't know when the tournaments are happening. So yes, mentally it's been a little hard on all of us.
What exactly, Deepika, keeps you motivated? What keeps you inspired?
I think for me, it's been about doing what I love and just trying to focus on my goals and, hopefully reaching that.
Speaking of goals, after the Arjuna Award, the Padma Shri, I know you have some long-term and short-term goals still that you want to achieve.
Yes, I think the main goal is the Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games, which hopefully will happen next year.
Wishing you all the very best. Thanks so much, Deepika, for joining in and sharing with us your journey as well as your outlook and your vision.
Thank you.